Cases like these are very rare, but this is not the first instance here in Southern California where a mother is accused of killing her own children. Our Jeff Nguyen is live in West Hills with more on that part of the story. Jeff?
Juan, this triple murder is opening up a conversation about mental health, but as one expert warns, we cannot allow ourselves to be afraid of people who are struggling with depression or anxiety.
Before this weekend's shocking triple murder in the San Fernando Valley, 3 children were allegedly killed by their mother, Liliana Carrillo, in Reseda in April of last year. And Carol Coronado was sentenced to 3 life prison terms for the 2014 killings of her 3 daughters in their home near Carson.
These are horrendous things that occur, but they don't happen that frequently. So we have to, again, keep that in mind.
Dr. Mo Gelbart is the executive director of behavioral health at Torrance Memorial Medical Center. Before that, he was a police psychologist with the LA County Sheriff's Department.
These actions don't occur out of nowhere.
He says there are often red flags that involve changes in behavior, bizarre thinking, or bizarre actions, so it's important to take those signs seriously. It's vital to get that person in front of a psychiatrist, but if it's not a family member or someone you know,
if it looks real serious and you have some concerns, especially when children are involved, like in this case, then we have to call the authorities.
Cases involving parents killing their children can stick in our minds, like in 2018, a couple made national headlines after driving off a cliff with their 6 children. And Susan Smith was convicted of the 1994 drowning deaths of her 2 young sons.
Have we learned anything? I think we're learning to be our eyes more open, our ears more open, and to be aware of what's going on around us, and to hopefully have some understanding that mental illness is a treatable condition.
And Dr. Gelbart says that more than 95% of people who struggle with mental illness do not commit acts of violence. We are live in West Hills. Jeff Nguyen, KCAL 9 News.
Jeff, thank you. And stay with KCAL 9 News for continuing coverage and the very latest updates on that tragic story of the deaths of these 3 children in West Hills.
And if you or someone you know is in crisis, there is help. You can call the hotline for the National Alliance on Mental Illness at 1-800-950-6264. And we do have more information on our website at kcal9.com. Just click Seen on TV.